Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your accounts and your device for linking. Sign in to your single Supercell ID on the device before attempting to connect. Make sure Google Play has at least one active Google account signed in and ready. Update Clash of Clans to the latest version available on Google Play. Check that you are on the device you want to permanently link. Verify stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Open Clash of Clans and go directly to the Settings menu to start linking. In Settings, tap Supercell ID and then choose Connect to Google Play. When prompted, select the specific Google account you want to use for this village. Confirm each permission and accept the prompts to allow exchange between Supercell ID and Google Play. Wait for the confirmation message that the two accounts are linked. If you see an error, retry after closing and reopening the game and Google Play. After linking, always verify success in Settings where a confirmed Google Play connection appears. To play on another device, install Clash of Clans, sign into the same Supercell ID, and sign into the same Google account on that device. If you want to unlink first, use the Supercell ID settings to manage connections carefully. Troubleshoot errors by updating Google Play services, clearing app cache, and rebooting the device. Contact Supercell support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.